Lesson 34, Cooking as a Career.
Accustomed to, or accustomed to.
Chefs must accustom themselves to working long hours.
Apprentice. Apprentice.
The cooking school has an apprentice program that places students in restaurants to gain work experience.
Culinary, or culinary. Culinary, or culinary.
The chef was widely known for his culinary artistry.
Demand. Demand.
This style of cooking demands many exotic ingredients and a lot of preparation time.
Draw. Draw.
Matthew was drawn to a career in cooking.
Incorporate. Incorporate.
Here are the fresh greens for you to incorporate into a salad.
Influx. Influx.
Due to the rise in popularity of cooking as a career, cooking schools report an influx of applications.
Method. Method.
Gloria perfected a simple method for making croissants.
Outlet. Outlet.
Many people find cooking to be a hands-on outlet for their creativity.
Profession. Profession.
Cooking is considered as much a profession as is law or medicine.
Relinquish. Relinquish.
After Claude married Kiki, he had to relinquish his exclusive hold on the kitchen and learn to share the joys of cooking.
Theme. Theme.
North American literature is the main theme of this year's festival.
Word families, accustomed to. Shirley could not accustom herself to the demands of her new job, custom. It is the custom at this restaurant to offer free meals to patrons on their birthdays, accustomed to. Janet has become accustomed to eating spicy food. Apprentice. Instead of attending cooking school, Michael decided low apprentice to a master chef, apprentice. The new group of apprentices will start working any day now, apprenticeship. The apprenticeship was a grueling period, but George learned a lot. Demand. The head chef demands a lot from his assistants, demand. Pierre could not keep up with the many demands of the customers, demanding. Working as a chef is a very demanding job. Incorporate. Take these items and incorporate them into a stew, incorporation. The restaurant was the incorporation of every good idea the chef had thought of in his career, incorporating. Chef Tao was famous for incorporating different cooking styles into one. Method. The chef discovered a more efficient method of peeling boiled eggs, methodology. Even the order of adding ingredients is an unappreciated aspect of cooking methodology, methodical. The head cook was not so artistic as methodical in preparing standard dishes. Profession. The number of people choosing cooking as a profession has risen over the past decade, professional. She was professional in her approach to dealing with the problem of late deliveries, professionally. Although the customer was rude and loud, the waiter handled the situation very professionally. Word practice, Part 1, Words in context. Read the following passage and write the words in the blanks below: accustomed, demanding, influx, profession, apprenticeship, drawn, methods, relinquish, culinary, incorporate, outlet, themes. When people start thinking about careers, they may be looking for their creativity. Many people are to cooking as a career and see it as not merely a trade. The restaurant business is, and needs a constant, of new talent. Chefs, ingredients and, of cooking from around the world into successful menus. Most chefs offer meals that are variations on standard. They will try to stretch their patrons' range of food tastes by taking food that is still recognized as traditional and infusing it with something new, like a rare spice or seasoning. People, to certain tastes and textures, aren't going to their preferences immediately. Attend school or train in restaurants with experienced chefs, For those of you who like hands-on creativity, being a chef might be a good choice. Part 2, Incomplete Sentences. Choose the word that best completes the sentence. 1. Susanna is having a hard time becoming, to the long hours of her job at the restaurant, A. Custom, B. Customs, C. Accustoms to, D. Accustomed to. 2. The student accepted a 6-month, with a famous chef, A. Apprentice, B. Apprenticed, C. Apprenticing, D. Apprenticeship. 3. The patrons at this restaurant are often, but they usually tip well, A. Demands, B. Demanded, C. Demanding, D. Demand. 4. I love this chef's cooking style, which, so many different tastes, A. Incorporation, B. Incorporates, C. Incorporating, D. Incorporator. 5. The experienced chef was, about the way he prepared his award-winning dish, A. Method, B. Methodical, C. Methodically, D. Methodology. 6. The attitude of the staff is one of the keys to a restaurant's success, A. Professional, B. Professionalism, C. Profession, D. Professionally. Part 3, Text Completion. Choose the word or phrase that best completes the sentence. More and more people are choosing to become professional chefs. The number of students enrolled in culinary schools is growing every year. People choose this career for different reasons. Some, to a cooking career because of a love of food. Others find that cooking is the perfect, for their creativity. People traditionally think of Paris as the city where professional chefs are trained. However, fine culinary schools can be found all over the world. The of a cooking career are great, but there are also many rewards. 1. A. Draw, B. Are drawn, C. Have drawn, D. Are drawing. 2. A. Outlay, B. Output, C. Outage, D. Outlet. 3. A. Demand, B. Demands, C. Demanders, D. Demanding. Part 4, Reading Comprehension. Questions 1 to 5 refer to the following article. Welcome to the National Institute of the Culinary Arts. You have chosen to enter a highly rewarding profession. People are drawn to this career for many different reasons, but you all have something in common, an appreciation of fine food. At the Institute you will have the opportunity to study with some of the most highly skilled chefs in the world. In order to take the best advantage of this opportunity, you need to approach it with an open mind. Be ready to relinquish your old ideas about cooking and take in new ideas about the most artistic methods of preparing food. While at the Institute, you will become accustomed to long hours, hard work, and also wonderful results. By the time you have finished with your coursework and are ready to start your apprenticeship, you will feel that you have accomplished much more than you ever expected to hear at the Institute. Please take the time to look over the following pages carefully as they contain all the information you need about course requirements, textbooks, apprenticeship opportunities, and the instructors at the Institute. 1. Who is the audience for this article? A. Students. B. Instructors. C. Working chefs. D. Restaurant patrons. 2. What kind of place is the Institute? A. A restaurant. B. A bookstore. C. An art school. D. A cooking school. 3. What does the writer ask the readers to do? A. Start cooking. B. Order more courses. C. Keep reading. D. Enjoy fine food. 4. The word relinquish in line 9 is closest in meaning to A. Let go. B. Add to. C. Share. D. Discuss. 5. The words accustomed to in line 11 are closest in meaning to A. Interested in. B. Tired from. C. Bored by. D. Used to.